Artificial intelligence agents are voracious digital engines. To function, they require a massive, continuous supply of high-quality human data. Right now, that data is almost entirely acquired through unauthorized scraping. Independent creators spend hours writing, drawing, and researching, only to watch their work get vacuumed up to train new models without a single cent of compensation. Large media publishers hold enough legal leverage to force multi-million-dollar licensing deals with AI companies. Independent creators simply cannot do that. The human creators producing the highest quality training data are being systematically starved of the revenue generated by it. This creates an unsustainable economic vacuum. We have seen this exact economic crisis before. In the early 20th century, the explosive growth of early radio created an identical problem for the recording industry. Early radio stations built their audiences by broadcasting musicians' records over the airwaves for free. As a direct result, physical record sales plummeted. Independent musicians faced an existential threat. A single artist could not possibly track down and individually negotiate contracts with hundreds of new, scattered radio stations. The recording industry quickly realized that banning the new technology was impossible. The pragmatic answer was to build a standardized system to meter usage and enforce royalties. They established the American Society of Composers, Authors, and Publishers, or ASCAP. It served as an infrastructural bridge, allowing radio stations to legally license music and artists to get paid. Just as broadcasting needed ASCAP to survive its infancy, the modern artificial intelligence industry requires an equivalent structural infrastructure to survive its current data crisis. Metastamp Pockets is the ASCAP for the AI age. It is an automated infrastructure designed to give AI agents a fully licensed pathway to access creator-owned content. Instead of relying on human lawyers or PDF contracts, this connection is built entirely on code. It operates through MCP, the Model Context Protocol. The automated process works in 3 phases. First, when an AI agent needs information, it runs the list_pockets tool to scan the network for available licensed data libraries. Second, the agent deploys the search pockets tool to filter the content by specific keywords. Finally, it executes pull content to retrieve the targeted, provenance-verified data directly from the creator's pocket. Through these 3 specific steps, copyright goes from being a slow, litigious threat to a frictionless, automated economy capable of operating at the speed of artificial intelligence. In this new economy, the exact moment of data transfer is the point of value. Every single time the pull content tool is executed, the transaction is strictly metered. This chart details the specific pricing tiers per pull. Generic content costs a fraction of a cent. Premium creator content is 1 cent. Flagship content is 2.5 cents. And institutional-grade data scales from 10 to 25 cents per pull. To sustain the human element of this ecosystem, 85% of that revenue is routed straight to the creator. The protocol enforces a 180-day content freshness window. This prevents an AI company from permanently caching a creator's work after a single paid pull. This 180-day window operates like modern radio syndication. It guarantees that as long as a creator's data remains relevant, it will continue generating recurring compensation over time. Metastamp Pockets is not meant to replace copyright law. It is the pragmatic technical plumbing required to actually enforce it in an automated ecosystem. The arrangement provides mutual benefit. AI companies eliminate legal friction and secure provenance-verified data, while independent creators gain a sustainable path to monetization. For human creation to thrive alongside new technology, we have to discard the habit of unauthorized scraping and adopt an architecture of mutual exchange. It comes down to 4 things: not scraped, licensed, metered, creator paid.